Okay, we all know that our patients not only want to know what we're going to be doing, but they also want to know how much the treatment's going to be. We usually tell them that we'll give you a ballpark figure, or say that my treatment coordinator will be there shortly. That leaves the patients sitting in the chair uncertain and unsure. DentiCalc to the rescue. You can use the app as a treatment calculator. You can calculate simple treatments, or you can select one of your pre-saved packages in order to give a very quick price for something more extensive. It is so easy to use and quick to learn, you don't even need to be a technical expert to use it. Your patients want to hear everything from you, their dentist. With a few clicks of the DentiCalc app, you can give them what they want in seconds. Improve patient communication today. Download the DentiCalc app now.